Happy Halloween. It is snowing outside right now. This is our first snow of the year, first freeze of the year. I am in the kitchen. We haven't started the Halloween festivities yet. We're going to be doing some pumpkin carving and getting ready. And we always go to Sonic to get 50-cent corn dogs on Halloween every year. But right now I've got a ton of tomatoes to deal with. And this kitchen is a huge mess because we had to run and scramble to get everything out of the yard before it froze last night. So the house is full of food that needs to be dealt with. So I'm going to get these tomatoes in the cooker. I use this roaster here so that I can can that up later. And then once that's going, because that takes hours and hours to cook down, I can kind of get the rest of the house in order. If this is your first time here, hi, welcome. My name is Anna, and this is Life on Lilac. This is our first year to be doing our own tomatoes as tomato sauce. We were weighing them all, and we got more than 200 pounds. And once we hit the 200-pound mark, we stopped weighing them. But after that, it was mostly green tomatoes anyway, because the frost was coming. These are frozen tomatoes that have been thawing for a couple days. And so I'm pulling these out. They're still really, really cold. Pulling these out, see how they've deflated, getting the skins off, and then we're gonna be composting these skins. I saved a lot of them before and dehydrated them, but this round I'm just gonna go ahead and compost them. So some of the extra liquid is still coming out of these, and then I'll blend them up and put them in the pot. The peppers were frozen, so that was like a tomato pepper smoothie. The snow has picked up. It's coming down in giant flakes now. Oh, it's so awesome. Who's ready for some trick-or-treating? That's the end of the frozen tomatoes. Now I'm gonna cut up some onions. Since this is my last batch of sauce this year, I'm gonna add the stewed tomatoes. I canned these last year and didn't get around to using them, so I thought this would be a nice way to use these up too. headed to Sonic to get our 50-cent corn dogs like we do every year.
Wait, 50 cents?
Yeah, we're gonna bring them
They're
back.
50 cents?
Yeah, every year on Halloween. That's why we do this. And we're gonna bring them back here because sometimes we eat outside. It's definitely too cold. There's like snow in my hair. But it's funny, Ethan's not wearing a coat. I'm not wearing a coat. We learned last year this is not quite full jacket weather. It's only 34 degrees, even though it's snowing pretty hard. But it's not gonna last. Can I get 16 corn dogs?
I'm sorry?
16 corn dogs, 3 large tots. Okay, thank you. Kids did their pumpkins. They made me do one. Nobody wanted to carve the giant one, so I did that one real quick. But there's Ethan's creepy one. That's the fairy tale pumpkin that I just love so much. Eli did one. It's a guy in prison, so that'll be cool when it's lit up. And then Essie has this cute little buck-tooth guy. And it's snowing even harder, and we're about to go trick-or-treating.
Christmas, you old emporium! Merry Christmas, you old scarecrow!
Merry Christmas! Wait, it's Halloween. It's Halloween.
Eli, get over here.
Like for the whole year? Good stuff?
Yep, Reese's.
Nice.
I said thank you to that army guy that came by. Thank you for your service.
Okay, so what were your thoughts?
Candy.
What are you drinking?
I thought it was perfect.
I did too. It was wild.
Oh my
It
goodness.
was wild. Yours is like glowing creepy. Eli's jail cell.
Cool.
That's awesome. It also could be like a monster claw. Grandpa, remember? Oh, that's the Adams. No, that's the Munsters. Grandpa was a vampire. So I'm just about done with this insane day. I've been canning all day and then also doing Halloween stuff. We did pumpkins and trick-or-treating in a snowstorm. That was a first for us, being from Texas and just moving to Indiana last year. So now it's time to take these cans out and go to bed because it's almost 11 p.m. Happy Halloween, you guys.